warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okay, for this time, Ustazah wanna continue our material, and this is the about living things and non-living things. Living things it's mean makhluk hidup, dan non-living things it's mean makhluk tak hidup. Okay, this is it a living or non-living? This is a butterfly, who is already to look at the butterfly is living or non-living. A ball is living or non-living. And then the plant, tree, this is a tree, yeah, that is living or non-living. I think Ustazah will answer. Butterfly and tree is, we can say, living things atau makhluk hidup, because can move and need a food. And ball it's not living things, can move and it's not need a food, like that of the living and non-living. Please, this is the characteristic of living things. So the living things are alive. In order to be a living things, it must breathe. That is the one of the characteristic of living things is can breathe, ya, bisa bernafas. Need food, living things can eat, bisa makan, membutuhkan makanan. And then grow from the young into the adults, ya, grow. That is the living things like a plant, human, and animals can grow, ya, bisa tumbuh. And then need water. All of living things it's need water. And this is the living things. For the example, this is the giraffe, grass, and bird, and human. Living things eat, breathe, grow, and reproduce. One of the characteristic again, the living things can reproduce atau bisa bereproduksi for make it the new individu and keep their species, atau dia bisa menghasilkan keturunan, ya. And non-living things, you can see this is the example of the non-living things. This is the things, it can move, it can breathe, it can need, it's not eat the food and water. This is non-living things, don't eat, breathe, grow, and reproduce. We can, if we put in here the rock or scissors, we put in on our table, and it can becoming into two of the scissors, ya, tidak bisa menjadi dua, because the scissors or rock maybe in another, the example of the non-living things can reproduce, tidak bisa bereproduksi. This is the maybe the example exercise from Ustazah about the living things. You can circle what is the living when the living things, you can circle yang mana living things in here. Maybe you can will the circle of the rabbit in a plant, in the leaf. And I think just 3 living things in here, yeah. And I think you also have the answer, it's same answer with Ustazah. And for my student, for the special explanation about the characteristic of living things, for example, need the food. Later Ustazah will explain again about the special explanation about why the plant need a food, why the plant must be taken air for breathe, why the plant can move, how to, and how the different about the living things, because the living things we can say human, animals, and plant. Okay, for my student, you can answer your worksheet, the worksheet about the where is the things there. We can say living things and non-living things, and then why, if we say that is the has a doll, there is the doll, why we can say the doll is not living things, because the living thing is can eat, is can reproduce, is can drink, and others. Yeah. Okay, I think just the explanation from Ustazah. Ustazah say thank you very much. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.